Imagine you're working on a project, and you encounter a tricky problem with your graphing tool. The issue revolves around setting the time range on a time axis, specifically starting from 2 days back. You attempted a solution involving the system, functioning gnuplot, but ran into a roadblock. The system output wasn't being recognized as a string by gnuplot, which left you scratching your head. Moving on to the solution provided, let's delve into the details. The script includes some test data with time and corresponding values. The format is structured in a specific way, with the Y data residing in column 3. This setup is crucial for the subsequent steps in the script to function correctly. By leveraging the concept of seconds in a day, 86,400 seconds, along with the time, functioning gnuplot, the script orchestrates the plotting process seamlessly. Additionally, the use of time column and the set format X command in the script streamlines the plotting task, ensuring precision and accuracy. Continuing with the solution breakdown, the script's core elements come into play. Setting the time range to commence from 2 days prior and configuring the format for the X-axis are pivotal steps. By defining the necessary parameters and structuring the data inputs appropriately, the script lays down a robust foundation for generating the desired graphs. The plotting process unfolds smoothly, culminating in a visual representation that encapsulates the data points effectively. The script's logic and execution exemplify a strategic approach to handling time-based data visualization tasks with gnuplot. In wrapping up, we've explored the intricate problem of setting a time range for graph plotting and delved into a comprehensive solution using gnuplot. By unraveling the complexities of time manipulation and data formatting, the script guides us through a journey of graph creation with precision and finesse. Remember, when in doubt about time-related plotting challenges, gnuplot's functions and syntax can be your trusted companions. So, next time you embark on a graphing adventure, armed with the right tools and techniques, chart your course to success. Subscribe, like, and leave a witty comment below. It's the graphically sound thing to do.